Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and my kids like bugs. Bugs can be creepy crawly, or they can be beautiful, or somewhere in between, and this book has it all. My kids love every single page. My daughter loves to point to the different bugs and call them out by name. It's really been a good learning tool. The pictures are very simple yet vibrant. We really love the shapes and the colors. We also really love that the words are very simple to read and it's really good practice. It's also a good book to memorize. This book is a step 1 reader, so it's good for preschool, kindergarten, or that type of level. So if you were looking for a fun book where your kids can learn but at the same time look at it and have fun, I would definitely recommend this book. My kids love it. It's an easy read for them, and we're just going to keep on using it. And that's my point of view.